Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjeet and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Pahaji. We are back with our technology video wherein today we will discuss how to update Windows 10 to the September 2020 update that was released a few days ago. This particular update will address security and reliability issues and do not include any new feature. However, this update is a must because through this video we will learn why it's required and what it's gonna do. So as per the Microsoft website, they have provided the information that with this update they're gonna update these files listed in this file. So guys, these are thousands and thousands of files. In fact, it seems that Microsoft is planning to update every single file on your computer. Sounds crazy? But it is the way it is designed by Microsoft. So on your screen you can see that this particular cumulative update will be updating all the previous versions, no matter which Windows 10 you are using. I will let you know how to check which particular build is required for your computer and how to automatically update it and how to go for a manual update. Okay, so let me show you how to check your build and the version number. So on your computer screen, what you need to do, you simply need to use the shortcut Windows and I key on your keyboard. Okay, and here under Windows setting, click on System. Here click on About, and it's the information of your computer. As on the screen you can see that I am using a version 2004 and my OS build is 19041.329. so I will go back to my screen here. So as you can see, I am using this 2004 and this particular build will be available to me to download using this KB number. Okay, let me show you how to check or how to download this KB. You simply need to use this link on your browser. Okay, here. So here in the search bar you can provide the required KB for your required version. Okay, so I'm using this 2004 as we checked in our about screen. So what I will do, I will search for this particular KB and these files are the one that are listed on my screen. So first three links as you can see are for Windows 10. Now which one to download? The first one is ARM64, the second one is for x86, the third one is for x64 based system. So on the same screen on About, you can see under system type it's mentioning that I'm using a 64-bit operating system and it's showing as x64 based processor. So out of these three links I just need to click on the one that is for me, that is x64. I will simply click on download. Here I will click on this file name and the download started. And in the meantime the download is happening. I will show you that what are the major changes. So the one major change that is done is the defragmentation part. So with starting of version 2004, Windows was defragging your solid state drive with every reboot, even if it's not required. That was kind of annoying. Okay, so I'm using 2004 as we checked. Let me show you that what this false alarm was and how it looks like. What I will do, I will click Windows R. In the open dialog box I will write DFR GUI and click on OK. Here you can see that the current status is shown as needs optimization. So guys, this is a false alarm. This is a bug in 2004 build. My drive does not need any kind of defragmentation or any kind of optimization. However, this build or this version is telling Windows that it needs to be done, and with every reboot they are defragging my hard drive, which is not required. So this bug is fixed in the latest one that we are downloading right now. So this is a manual method. You would also like to know how to go for the automatic method. So simply you need to click on Windows and I on your keyboard. Here in Windows settings, you need to click on update and security. Here on my screen you can see that this particular build, which is KB4571756, is the same build. It's already downloaded on my computer and the status is showing as pending install. So I was aware of this particular build. However, I wanted to make this video, so I did not install it because I wanted to install it with you guys. So I will not click on install now as I'm using the manual method. So let's see. Here only few seconds are left. Once it's done, we will click on this file and we'll start the installation. Welcome back. The file is downloaded. Now simply you need to click it. I will click on yes. So guys, it's installed and now it's saying me to restart your computer for the update to take effect. Okay, so simply click on restart now and we will be back when the computer is restarted. Welcome back. Windows is restarted. So now what we will do, we will check whether the update is installed or not. So on your desktop, simply you need to click Windows and I button. Here click on System, About, and as you can see, my previous build was here 19041.329. however, the new build is coming as 19041.50a. And as per the Windows information, this is the latest build that is from Microsoft. So I will be adding all the links, important links, in the description below, and if you have any questions or if you come across any kind of issues while installing this update, please do raise your comments and we will answer them accordingly. So pretty much from my side, I think you have liked the video and you enjoyed this video. So you guys know the trick. If you're coming here for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get always the latest update from our side. And if you're already with us and watching our videos regularly, please do click on like button if you have enjoyed it, and do share it with your friends and family. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care. God bless you. Bye bye.